Assalamu alaikum, grade 10 computer science. This is the first video, and in this video I will introduce you to the syllabus. My name is RIAZ Khan, and I am showing my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can use this number to contact me for any questions, any queries, or if you have any confusion, you can ask questions. I will need your WhatsApp numbers and Gmail IDs so that I can make a group where I will post different material, quizzes and homework, and also other material related with the course. The main objective of this course is to prepare the students for the internal and external exams. Detailed objectives you can see in the Cambridge syllabus that I have already given you, and I seriously advise that to go through the syllabus and the remaining part of the syllabus that we have to cover. So you already have the syllabus. If you do not have, you send me a message. I will send you a soft copy again. We will continue with the same book that we are already using. The book is written by Sarah Laurie and Donald Scott. It's endorsed by the University of Cambridge, and we will continue with the same book. The chapters that we will cover, we will start again from the chapters that you have not covered the last year, and we will continue the remaining chapters. The sequence of chapters that we will cover, I will show you in the next slide. We will start with the computer architecture, and computer architecture means how computer is made, different parts of the computers, and we will discuss the programming languages and the operating system. Of course, we have in this chapter information regarding the translator programs and the tasks that are done by operating system. Then we will continue with the chapter 4, logic gates. You will have this chapter in physics as well, so students who are taking physics, they will have better understanding of this chapter. Then we will continue with the chapter 8, memory, storage devices and media. We will discuss different storage devices, their storage capacities, how they store data, their working, and the applications where they can be used. The next chapter we will cover is chapter 9, that is security. You already have some introduction regarding the different security you need, like the viruses, antiviruses, firewalls, but here we will study this in detail. Chapter 10, ethics. When you are using computers, so what are the good things you should follow and what are the bad things you should avoid? Like if you are using a public computer, so you should avoid looking inside the folders of other people. Likewise, if you are sending messages to someone, so you should be decent and respect other people. Things like it we will study in this chapter. We have a complete programming section, and I have written here Q basic programming, but we will switch to Python programming language. That is the most Python language is the most used languages nowadays, and the near future as well. It's the top ranking language, and the students who will take computer and your A-level and university, they will have great advantage of learning this language. Alone, if you learn the Python language, it can give you a career. Okay. Chapter details can be viewed from the textbook. Also, the Cambridge syllabus copy is already given to you. I have already given to you, but I will give you a soft copy again, just in case you do not have the old one. How you can learn this course better? You need to study the topics in the book in detail. Some students have this habit that they are not studying the book in detail, but let me tell you that you need to study the book in detail, because this book is written by a very competent author, and the book is recommended by Cambridge. So skipping some topics will always have a disadvantage. You need to focus during the lesson. This I have written for the normal lessons, but because now we have the school off and we have unusual circumstances, so for unusual circumstances we need to take unusual steps. All the teachers are working hard to prepare these videos. Of course, we are not professional video editors, yet everyone is trying their best, and your main responsibility now is to take benefit of these videos and not only watch the videos, but you should study the book in more detail, because the videos are not in much detail as like the classroom. So you have the responsibility to study the book very well. The topics will be easier to memorize once it's clear to you. If you want to memorize the topics that are not clear, it's always harder to memorize, but once you understand it, it's then easier for you to memorize. You do not have a lot of things to memorize and the CIE syllabus, but you need to memorize the definitions and some important points that I'm mentioning to you from time to time. Discussion with your classmates is also an effective way to learn. As I told you, we will make a group, and where question related with the computer science, related with the chapters we are studying, you can post the questions and the teacher will answer, or if it is clear to some other students, they can answer as well. The best way to learn something is to teach someone. Yes, I have practiced this. Once you teach a topic to someone, you never forget it. So the students who are helping the other people, so the students that are helping, the best way to learn something is to teach someone. So the students who are learning from the other students, so the students who are teaching them, they benefit a lot. I will make a separate video and that I will discuss the last year exam paper and their possible questions and answers. For the practical topics, you need to learn the topic very well. You cannot learn it until you are focused when the teaching is explaining it to you. It's slightly technical, so if you miss some topic, you have to cover it yourself, and you have to catch up with the other students of the class, because sometime the older topic you need to know before you start a new topic. Practice, practice, and practice. We are starting the programming earlier because I believe that this is the harder part, and the early you start it, the better it is. And for this you need to have proper dedication, self-motivation, that the teacher will not tell you again and again to practice, but you have to have your own responsibility to practice. I will conclude this video from here, and I will make a separate video, as I have already told you, for the exam question and answers. If you have any confusion, any question, you can ask me on my WhatsApp.